Hi, let's work with addition stamp game today. Today we will work with addition stamp game, and today we will work with some dynamic equations where we will get some exchanges. So let's go ahead and work with these kind of equations. You can print the sheet which I sent you. It will say D over here on the side. And I'm sure you have worked with static equations already before working with dynamic equations. And the first equation I have is 3,998 plus 1,690. 9 tens, no units. Let's go ahead and make our numbers first. We have 3,000. So 1,000, 2,000, 3,000s. 900s. 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, and 900s. 9 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, and 9 tens. And 8 units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, and 8 units. 3,900, 9 tens, and 8 units. That's what we made. And now let's make the second number. I'm going to keep my pen over here so I can make the second number below the pen. 1,000, 600s, 100, 200, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 9 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. I got so many tens in my hand. 3 tens and 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. No units. 0 units. Now let's go ahead and put them together because we're doing addition, and in addition we put everything together to see our answer. So let's go ahead and put it together. We start always with units. We don't have any units to put together. Let's put our tens together. I'll go ahead and keep these over here on the side. And thousands. Now let's go ahead and count what we have. And remember, these are some big numbers, so we are going to have some exchanges, and let's see what we get today. See how many units we have. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units. 8 units because we didn't have anything to put together. So 8 units. Let's count our tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. I'm going to put them over here so I know that I already counted these. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. We have 10 tens. We have to stop at 10 tens. Why? What does 10 tens make? 10 tens make 100. You're right. 10 tens make 100. Let's go ahead and take all our 10 tens and exchange these 10 tens. That's why I separated them, so I know where I had to stop. So always remember to bring them a little bit down so you know which was the last 10 you counted. So these are my 10 tens. I'm going to exchange these 10 tens for 100. So you're going to put it back. From where do we get the 100? 10 tens make 100. So we're going to exchange the 10 tens and take the card of 100 and put it with hundreds. 10 tens made 100. Now let's continue counting our tens. We have to see what we have at the end. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, and 8 tens. So we have 8 tens now. 8 tens. Let's count our hundreds. 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s, 1000s. Again, we have to stop at 10. And what do we do with 10 hundreds? We can exchange 10 hundreds for something. What can we exchange 10 hundreds for? 10 hundreds make 1,000. So let's go ahead and take all our 10 hundreds. Let's go ahead and make sure and count once again. 100, 200, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s, and 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds make 1,000. So let's go ahead and exchange 10 hundreds for 1,000. We take it from here, from our numbers which we have in the bowl. So we put it back in the bowl and take what it makes from the bowl. So 10 hundreds make 1,000. So I'm going to take 1,000 and exchange and put it with thousands. Let's continue counting our hundreds. We are already done with our units, and then tens, and now hundreds. We had an exchange in hundreds. Now let's see what we have in hundreds. 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s. You're left with 600s. You write it down under hundreds. Now after hundreds, it's the turn for thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. And we have 5,000. We write it down under thousands. So this is our equation, and this is what we made. 3,998 plus 1,690 equals 5,688. That's how we do a dynamic equation. I hope you enjoy doing equations by yourself. Enjoy.